front panel, unscrew here, gently put the glass in a safe place. Dismantle graphic card. Unscrew graphic card. Gently. Unplug all cables. HD audio. These two small. These two small. Next, power switch. Next, HDD LED. Type-C USB. USB. Unclick here. Unclick. Unplug motherboard power of 24 pins cable. Fan cable. I need to take apart this fan first because in the way, CPU here, CPU cable here, this one in the way. CPU cable. I need to dismantle this first before take motherboard. SSD hard drive. This is the white one. Unclick. CPU fan cable. CPU fan cable. CPU fan cable. CPU fan cable. CPU arrow anti-clockwise. 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 Take off. Gently. Unclick. Here. Install SSD. Click. See the arrow this side, this way.